This is Bose SoundLink Flex second generation, one of the most popular portable Bluetooth speakers. Let me quickly show you the box around. Let's unbox this beauty and see what we got. Once we open the box, we have the speaker itself in the front. Let me open it. Oh, this feels heavy. Wow, this color is just amazing in person. Let me know what you think. Let's keep this aside and see what else we got. We have some paperwork which we never read anyway. There is a USB-A to USB-C cable in the box for charging the speaker with Bose logo embossed on it. And that's all. These are the contents of the box. Now let me show you the speaker in detail. This is Bose SoundLink Flex second generation. The front of the speaker looks solid with Bose logo on top and speaker grille, which is metal. At the top, we have the power button to power on the speaker and a Bluetooth button to pair and connect with the devices, and a dedicated pair or stereo button. If you have another Bose speaker, you can pair and play in stereo mode using this pair button. We also have 3 light indicators for these 3 buttons. And finally, we have the volume up and down buttons with play pause buttons in the middle. The buttons feel very soft and the click is very silent. I really like the touch of it. Let's see the back side of it. There are 4 rubber paddings at the bottom for the grip. By the way, the speaker grill is metal again. Man, it looks so premium. On the left side, there is a USB-C port which can be used to charge the speaker. By the way, its charge time is 4 hours, and once it is fully charged, it can be used for about 12 hours. At the bottom, we have these soft grip-like paddings. These help stand the speaker. As I mentioned earlier, the front of the speaker and the back mesh is a metal and rest is a soft silicone. There is a velcro strap on the right side. It's of high quality and seems durable. The speaker is compact, very durable, dust and waterproof. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.3. It can be connected to multiple devices and whatnot. This is just overview, guys. I can't wait to test the speaker and review it. I will post a review video of Bose SoundLink Flex second generation very soon, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you don't wanna miss it. By the way, by default in the box, the speaker comes in sleep mode. You have to connect it to the power source to wake it up. By the way, it's just one time process. Let me quickly power it up and connect it to my phone. For now, I made a very detailed sound test with 3 songs. By the way, it sounds different in different positions. When you put it in standing position, it sounds different, and when you lay it down on the surface, it sounds different. Enjoy the sound test. that's it guys. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test any other songs. I hope you like this quick unboxing and sound test. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with the tech you love.